What's going on guys, this is Kedar here. Today in this video on $800 stimulus check for South Carolina residents, and yes, we are talking about November stimulus check for South Carolina residents. And today in this video we have got some official updates from South Carolina Department of Revenue. They have provided a new rebate processing timeline. We have got the latest schedule for issuing the rebates. We have got all the important dates, all the key dates for the South Carolina stimulus check. We have got couple updates including October, November, December, and some payments may even be delayed due to a new filing extension. That means some filers will have extended period of time they can file their tax returns and they can receive their rebate in the next year, that is 2023. We have also got the exact dates for those filers, and also we will cover the rebate eligibility requirements for South Carolina stimulus check. Many South Carolina residents are on their way to receive $800 stimulus checks. So today in this video, we will check out the exact rebate processing timeline. Also, I will show you the eligibility criteria, how can you calculate your rebate amount, and how will you receive your rebate, whether it's direct deposit or stimulus checks. We will also check out how much is a rebate, when are you going to receive your rebates, the exact payment schedule, how can you know are you eligible for this one, and we will be going through the new filing extension. And if you still haven't filed for your South Carolina income tax returns, well, don't worry, you got a new extended timeline, and we will be going through all the important details on South Carolina stimulus check up to $800 South Carolina residents are going to receive. So before we go over all the important details, make sure to check out other videos from our channel on state stimulus update, social security benefits, fourth stimulus update, and make sure to subscribe with bell notification turn on so you'll never miss our latest videos as we upload new videos every single day. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Many of you right here in the comments down below ask me this very important question: are we going to receive South Carolina tax rebates in the month of November? Well, actually, we have got the exact payment schedule. Without further ado, let's cover all the important stuff. So heading over to the South Carolina Department of Revenue dor.sc.gov rebate-2022, actually we have got couple of new updates. So let me go over through all the important stuff. So first, if you know about rebate processing timeline, you know October 17th, the 2022 filing deadline has already passed, but as per the latest update, we have got the new filing extension, which means some filers will receive their rebate in the year 2023. And following the IRS decision to postpone its deadline for extension, filers in South Carolina as a result of Hurricane Ian relief, the South Carolina Department of Revenue has extended the deadline for the extension filers to file individual income tax return until February 15th, 2023. This means for extension filers who are eligible for the rebate, you must have filed a South Carolina income tax return for the year 2021. By the way, if you need to update your mailing address, you need to fill up SC 5000 form in order to update your mailing address and your bank information has changed, and SC 5000 form is due by November 1st. And speaking of the latest updates, what's happening right now as per the South Carolina stimulus checks, currently they are reviewing all the returns filed by October 17th deadline, and they are determining who is eligible and they are calculating the rebate cap. And speaking of the tax relief extension, for those filers who have got the extension, eligible returns filed from October 18th, 2022 going all the way through February 15th, 2023 will be issued, and these rebates will go out in the March 2023. So that's about the extension and when they are going to receive, that is the March 2023. For those filers who have got the extension, make sure to file your tax return starting from October 18th going all the way until February 15th, 2023. And speaking of the returns for those people who file by February 15th, 2023, well, they will review the tax returns after the February 15th in order to determine who is eligible to receive this rebate in the March 2023. And once they verify all those details, once they determine the eligibility and all that, payments will be distributed in the March 2023. And this South Carolina income tax refund checks are going up to $800, and these payments will be sent out to all the eligible South Carolina taxpayers starting in the late November or December, and any resident who have paid taxes will receive a rebate with amount increasing based on their tax liability. So you can earn up to $800 cap per filing, and this amount will be a full refund for those people who have paid $800 or less, and this group of people includes 33% of the taxpayers, and these rebates are being issued per person regardless whether you have filed individually or jointly. And those who didn't pay income taxes, and these are about 44% of the South Carolina residents, will not receive a check. So make sure you file your tax returns in order to receive these rebates. And now coming over to the schedule, the exact payment schedule for issuing these rebates, actually we have got couple of important key dates when the payments are being issued, starting from October, November, December, going all the way until February 15th, 2023. We have got all the important dates. So without further ado, let me cover each of the important dates. Now before we cover all the important dates, these rebates will be issued in the exact same way that you have received your 2021 South Carolina income tax refund. In the last year, if you have received a paper check, you'll again receive a paper check. Also, if you have a balance due, you'll receive a paper check. And for those filers who have submitted their SC 5000 to update their bank account information, address details, and other details of such kind, those recipients will also receive paper checks. And now coming over to the important dates, rebates will be issued by December 31st, 2022 for those people who have filed their returns by October 17th, 2022. So make sure to watch these important dates. If you have filed your returns by October 17th, 2022, then continue to watch your rebates. Your rebates are going out by December 31st, 2022. So in the month of December, most of the South Carolina taxpayers are going to receive their rebates. But speaking of the next important date, if you have filed your tax returns starting from October 18th, 2022, going all the way through February 15th, 2023, then you'll be receiving your rebate late. And for those group of people, the rebates will be issued in the March 2023. So continue to watch these important dates. If you have filed starting from October 18th, going all the way until February 15th, 2023, then you'll receive your rebates starting in the March 2023. And speaking of the current important dates, if you have filed your returns by October 17th, 2022, then you are going to receive your rebates by December 31st, 2022. So like many of you asked me in the comment section below, are we going to receive South Carolina tax rebates in the month of November? Well, actually you are going to receive your payments in the December month. So continue to watch these important dates. And as said by legislation, you'll receive minimum of $700, but the maximum amount will change according to your particular tax filings, and payments may go up to $800. To determine your eligibility, make sure to file SC 1040 tax return form, and that should give you a good idea what will be the eligibility requirements. In order to be eligible, you need to file your tax return. Now that you got extension for the tax filing, don't forget to file your tax returns. Make sure to file your tax returns as soon as possible. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful, so make sure to hit that like button for me. Do subscribe to our channel with bell notification turn on. That will keep you posted on latest videos as we upload new videos every single day. Check out hundreds videos on stimulus update, everything related to money, benefits, stimulus. Thank you so much for watching this video till then, and this is Kedar from How to Guys signing out.